Hey everybody, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. Wanted to take a minute to walk around this really nice low mileage 2006 Jeep Wrangler X 4.0 inline 6 automatic transmission, factory air, just right at 52,000 original miles. This is a really nice Jeep, just really clean, honest Jeep. Hasn't been lifted or messed with. The undercarriage is super clean. It's not overly detailed. Just a really nice, good bones Jeep for you to do whatever you want to with it. Lift it, keep it stock. Just a really nice, clean Jeep. It does have a little bit of checking on the hood, a few little bug marks on the front and around the windshield. Shines really nice. Got a little chip here in the windshield. Inside is really clean. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com. Got a lot of photos inside and out as well as underneath. Clean Carfax. You can find that on our website as well, a copy of that. Tires are nice and deep. Got plenty of tread. Carpet's really clean underneath the mats. Got a set of rubber mats. It's got both keys. That salt top has been replaced at some point. It's not brand new, but it's in really good shape. You can call or text me at 904-382-7230. Be happy to answer any questions you have about this Jeep, or anything we have for sale for that matter. We appreciate your interest. Look forward to hearing from you soon.